Subscribe to Filmfare and press the bell icon.
Enjoying
She's
that.
making all the desserts nowadays
So I'm to be blamed.
and expects me not to eat.
Later next time मुझसे पूछ के boyfriend बनाना.
And
Hi.
thank you for being part of my lockdown conversations. Today's a great day. Today being Mother's Day. I'm happy that both of you have consented to come on my show. So thank you again.
She has gotten ready for the first time in the lockdown. She's put a lipstick all the way for you. And we've come down from our very far, from our bedroom to the living room, just for this date.
Thank you, Geeta. Thank you.
I was looking for a reason to put lipstick.
Yeah.
Thank you, Geeta. Thank you so much for being part of this. Tell me,
Thank you, Jitesh.
my first question: how was Kriti as a child, and did you see a lot of differences in her as she grew in terms of temperament?
Yeah.
Temperament.
No, not in terms of temperament, but in terms of confidence. When she was a child, she was very shy. She was a shy child.
Yeah.
And used to get scared very easily.
Yeah. I was bullied.
Yeah, bullied very easily. She used to come home crying, and
I used to
slowly,
hide in her chunni when guests used to come
guests
home.
came, she used to hide behind my chunni and behind me. So while growing up, slowly she has gained confidence, and in the last 4-5 years, there's a lot of difference. Now you can see she's so confident. I'm also, sometimes surprised कि ये हुई Kriti है.
But to be very honest, I was actually a very shy kid. I used to, what she's saying, I used to hide behind her chunni when there used to be someone. I had stage fright, major. My first photo shoot, my first ramp walk, I have come back home crying. Both the times, because I was very nervous in my photo shoot. In my ramp walk, I messed up the choreography and I was shouted at by a very mean choreographer whose name also I've forgotten now. But that time she used to get worried because she was like, how are you going to deal with this? The line that you're wanting to go in is probably not meant for you, and
Yeah,
I'm not very sure if you should, because she used to feel that I can't take pressure, and I'm like,
Jitesh, I discouraged her. I discouraged her a lot. This is not the line for you, beta. The girls are, so confident. And she said, Mama, confidence धीरे धीरे आ जाता है. So, yeah. She believed in herself. That is a great thing. I didn't believe in her, but she believed in herself.
Geeta, you always concentrated so much on academics. You are a lecturer yourself, a professor, and you fought a lot of gender biases. I remember you telling me you fought with your parents because your brothers were treated separately, you were treated separately.
Yeah.
Can you run me through that?
Like, I'm from a very conservative family. So where girls were supposed to get married at a certain age, and whether they study or not,
it doesn't
was
matter.
immaterial. Yeah. So my parents also wanted me to get married, and what will you do?
पढ़ के क्या फायदा?
पढ़ के क्या करना है इतना, या job करके क्या करना है? So I had to literally fight for my these things, that I want to study, I want to do a job, and I will do definitely.
Yeah.
What were the two? Yeah, say. Continue. Say.
I had to put my foot down,
Okay.
for these things, small things.
Geeta, tell me, did you approve of her boyfriends ever?
She has not. She has not approved.
I don't disapprove of her having a boyfriend.
Yeah, that
But,
not.
yeah.
But she kind of feels that I don't have a good sense of judgment. She might be right.
She can't see through a person.
Yeah, I kind of
She thinks everyone is good.
Yeah, I kind of tend to believe in the good in people, and I kind of don't see the other bits. And sometimes I feel if there are some bits which are not good, I kind of feel that I might be able to fix it. And that doesn't happen. People don't change. So yeah, she doesn't really approve. She hasn't approved of my boyfriends yet. So the right boy is yet to come,
She
probably.
has had two boyfriends only.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to tell this?
Yeah. I don't know why you're giving extra information, but that's okay.
And you've not
I-
approved, and you've not approved of either of them.
Yeah,
No.
yeah. I never.
Tell me, what was your reaction when you saw Kriti on screen for the first time?
What was my reaction? Firstly, I was very scared
She
from
was very
inside.
nervous.
I was very nervous, and although the shooting has been done, but she is sitting with me watching the movie, but still I was so scared, and I felt happy.
But
And
I remember.
slowly, huh?
I remember, so first film that she's watched of mine is actually a Telugu film. One,
Oh.
Nenokkarni,
In
with
which we
Mahesh
didn't
Babu.
understand.
So they were not understanding. It was not my voice also, but she was like, "You've acted really well." I said, "That was not even my voice. How do you know?"
So what did she
Yeah.
say when she saw you and say Panipat and Bareli Ki Barfi?
Yeah, those are the
Yeah.
two films that I think she's liked the most.
Bareli Ki Barfi, I liked her a lot in that. But Panipat, I was very happy. She was amazing in that. She acted so well, and I felt very proud.
To be honest, I think your mother knows you the best, right? Your mother knows you in and out. She can pinpoint where you're nervous. She can pinpoint where you're faking it and you're not actually believing what you're saying. She can
Yeah.
pinpoint when you're conscious for a second. So I think I always feel that they must be seeing me in all the characters. What they see me on screen. After Panipat, she came and she told me that for the first time I didn't मुझे कृति नहीं दिखी. And I
Wow.
only
It was
saw
Parvati Bai.
Parvati Bai, and I believed that she was Parvati Bai, and that I think was the biggest compliment for me ever. And coming for a film which was my first period film, Marathi. I mean, Marathi. I don't know Marathi, but
She was looking like a
Marathi.
Maharashtrian movie.
Yeah, Marathi Murgi. So I think that was a big compliment coming from someone who knows me so well. Because I feel like friends also sometimes are like, "Arey, ye aise karti hai real life mein bhi." They pick on to things that you do on screen because you put in a little bit of you somewhere. So that I
Are there
really
are there
appreciate.
are there moments when you feel you have to mother her instead of the other way around?
Yeah. I think after a particular age, it's like you're either
It's a role
friends
reversal.
or there's role reversal happening on and off depending upon the situation. Because
Give me an
you know, in,
instance. Give me an
like
instance.
these days, I think
She keeps checking me. ये मत खाओ, बस करो, मीठा मत खाओ.
I think parents also start turning into kids sometimes. Like, so she has a major back issue and she's been asked to watch her weight. Now, when you have back issue, you can't do exercises, you can't exert yourself. So it's very difficult to watch the weight. Then it's all about the diet. And being a Punjabi, मीठा तो बहुत पसंद है. Sweet cravings तो होती है, रात को ही होती है. And we are all sitting at home, obviously trying to do something. So I'm the one who's baking things, and I'm enjoying
She's
that.
making all the desserts nowadays,
So I'm to be blamed.
and expects me not to eat them.
I'm to be
What
blamed.
what is your specialty? What do you do?
Me.
Yeah.
So I have been baking. Like I've baked banana bread and all. I've tried to keep it as healthy as possible, not using sugar, using jaggery, things like that.
Yeah.
I made mango cheesecake, which I did for the first time ever.
Wow.
And not bad. I'll make a better one in the next. I'll send you a picture then.
Oh, it was so yum.
So this one really loves meetha. So while I like sort of giving her all of that and baking all of that for her, I'm also like, Mama, abhi ho gaya, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं लेना है.
Rations it.
So ये मम्मा घर पे बोलती है कि कृति राशनिंग करती है घर पे कि इतना खाओ, इतना ही मिलेगा, इस मील में इससे ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा, अब नेक्स्ट मील में मिलेगा. So I'm the person who's doing rationing at home. And I'm also sometimes called the principal of the house because I'm the one scolding everybody, including my pups.
Do you all have a lockdown routine now that you all are all at home? Is there like something routine that you follow?
See, I think one thing that's happened, which is great, and it's happened after a very long time, is that we've started having meals together. You know, we never. I don't remember इससे पहले कब हम डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ के हम लोगों ने सबने साथ में खाना खाया है. People used to be, we used to be in our separate rooms, or you know, having food on the bed. I've come from shoot, time नहीं है. So things like that. So we keep make sure that we have all the meals together, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then we meet in the evening around 5:30 ish, which is our chai coffee time, and we chit chat. We play Ludo sometimes.
We are playing Ludo.
We play Ludo, and me and mom are in one team, and Nupur and my dad are in the other team always. So that's happening, and then apart from that, there's Netflix and Amazon going in every room. So everybody's watching their separate stuff, and she is someone who has probably seen more things than I have, and she keeps updating me कि ये वाली film अच्छी है, ये वाली movie अच्छी है. So that keeps happening.
What's the soundest piece of advice you have given mom, and Geeta you have given Kriti?
What advice have you given me? बेटा next time मुझसे पूछ के boyfriend बनाना. No,
yeah, that's correct.
Yeah,
Another thing, I keep telling her, she trusts everyone very easily.
yeah.
So I keep telling her, don't trust everyone. Like, people are everybody is not good from inside. So she can't judge people. She can't look through them. So that is one thing.
I end up trusting very easily, and I end up trusting a lot. Because I think sometimes you feel like, you know, if you're not lying, maybe the other person's also not lying. So that's how it kind of happens sometimes. And the advice that I give her is to chill and to stress less, because I think she stresses a lot. Like sometimes I'm like, maybe I should not tell her that I'm unwell, because she's going to stress so much that it's going to add on to my stress. So she's someone who I sometimes call a Chinta Mani, because she takes Chinta from everywhere. And she amplifies it. So I just tell her to like not overthink about things, not assume what's going to happen, not start fearing, you know, कि ये हुआ तो ये हो जाएगा. It's not in our control. Just go with the flow.
Geeta, what other things, hopes do you have for Kriti in terms of acting? What would you, I mean, as a mother, what do you hope for her?
I hope her to do to be at the top. I want her to do Hollywood films.
Oh,
What not?
you've never told me that. Yeah.
And do you
That's
also
true,
give
but
her a
at the same
cutoff?
time, I feel.
Do you also
But
give
at
her
the
a
same time, I
cutoff?
think she also feels that she wants me to be not too stressful and just happy.
Yeah.
You know, I think we are all always running in a race, and that kind of, you know, one dream gets fulfilled, then we have another dream already.
I would like her to settle down.
ये मुझे पता था ये आने वाला है.
Yeah, another couple of years. Like she should
No.
settle down.
No, that's not happening.
Career is सब कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
You should not be so much ambitious that you don't have a life.
No, I don't want to be that person. I want to have a life for sure, but I don't want to settle down for the heck of it ever. And I've told her very clearly that I'm never going to do arranged marriage, because I don't believe in it. It's I can't understand how you can just decide to spend the rest of your life with someone who you don't know, or you've just met a few times. And she's like, I can't look through people. Means if I can't look through people in 3 years, तो 5 दिन में कहाँ से किसी के साथ होगा? So I just feel that I want to settle down, but when I feel like settling down, when I feel that it's the right person who I would want to spend the rest of my life with, and after I've fallen in love. Parents का role नहीं है.
Geeta, describe Kriti in one word.
One word, pure. Uh, she is, she has a pure soul, and sometimes I feel she's an angel. I think every mother
That's a
sees her
naughty
child
Bhasha.
like that, but no, really. Sometimes, she corrects me also in many ways. So that way, she's my angel.
You? One word for your mom?
One word for my mom, it's very difficult, but I think I always feel that she's
चिंतामणि
been.
बोल तो दिया उसने.
Chintamani is not the only word to describe you. But I feel righteous is something that I would use for her because she's always been righteous. Like for her, it has to be correct. She will not tolerate any nonsense. She will not tolerate any injustice. She always stands up. And, in today's world, it can get frustrating when it's very difficult to um, prove the truth. It's easier to prove lies, so for she's always been someone who wants to stand up for herself and do the right thing. And I think that is one quality that I associate with her completely.
Wow. So on that happy note, I wish you many more banana breads and mango cheesecakes.
Without
and
putting on calories.
Yeah. So have a wonderful Mother's Day and many, many happier days. So happy eating and happy loving. Thank you so much for being part of this
Thank
lockdown
you,
conversation.
Jinx.
Thank
Happy
you
Mother's
so
Day
much.
to your mom also.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you, Geeta. Bye. Bye.